I am Rajneesh Mishra, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, Biani Girls College, Jaipur. My topic is pure culture technique. Pure culture consisting of only single type of organism which is rarely exist in nature, naturally exists as mixed culture. It must be obtained by artificial method. In the pure culture technique, there are many scientists who play important role. First scientist is Joseph Lister. He produced their technique in 1878 using several dilution in liquid medium. Another scientist is Robert Koch. He refined the isolation method of pure culture, which is extremely important in the development of microbiology. Next, type of pure culture. There are various type of pure culture techniques. Here we are giving some examples like stick culture method, stab and stick cultures, stalk cultures, starter culture, and enrichment of the culture. Isolation techniques. There are some isolation techniques through which we can identify the different mixed culture and different cultures which we want to isolate. In natural, microbial culture are mixed. Identified lies upon the isolating individual colony. Isolation require aseptic technique. It is also required testing, and as a result, isolation technique provide an essential microbiological tool. There are various instruments which are giving helping hand in this pure culture technique. First is autoclave, colony counter, filters, hot air sterilizer, incubator, ultraviolet lamp, and centrifuge. When we discuss about autoclave, this is normally work on principle of saturated under stiff pressure. In this autoclave, the temperature is 121 and pressure is 15 psi. Particularly this autoclave, we can sterilize different type of media and different type of apparatus which are using in autoclave processing. Colony counter. In this pure culture technique, we count the different types of colony from the mixed culture by using of this particular colony counter apparatus. Next is hot air oven. This is also based on dry heat sterilization process. By this, we can sterilize the glass apparatus and different types of equipment which is helping hand in the pure culture technique. Incubator. The growth of the microorganism is developing in the particular incubator. Ultraviolet lamp and centrifuges also play vital role in the pure culture technique. Culturing the media. Combination of nutrients which are used to enrich the growth of organism in the in vitro condition. There are certain basic requirements for preparing the culture media. For example, nutrients like carbon sources, energy sources, nitrogen sources. Mineral salt just like sulfate, phosphate, chloride, and carbonate of calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Here is a suitable pH is also required, which is range from 7.2 to 7.4, and assessive growth factor is also required for the culturing of the media. There are different types of culture media on the basis of their principle of classification. On this basis, we divide two categories, synthetic media and non-synthetic media. Another one is a bacteriological media classification. On this basis, the media is classified on the 6th category: cultivation media, storage media, enriched media, differential media, assay media. On the basis of consistency classification, media is dividing in the 3 category: liquid media. In this, peptone, water, and nutrient both are involved. Next is solid media, blood agar and serum agar is involved. Next is semi-solid media, nutrient agar is involved. Oxygen requirement classification. In this basis, the nutrient media and culture media is dividing in 2 types: aerobic media and anaerobic media. Method which are used for the pure culture, there are 3 methods: pour plate methods, stick plate method, and spread plate method. First we discuss about the sterilization. This is also useful technique to removal of microorganism from the particular broth for the media and the surface. There are 3 various methods. By this we take sterilization, physical method of sterilization, chemical method of sterilization, and gaseous method of sterilization. Pour plate method. In the pour plate method, first of all, we taking the plate, and in the second step, we open the vial in the presence of the flame, and next we pour the particular media in particular plate. Next, stick plate method. In this method, we required inoculating loop and particular plating in which we strike the plate, and the stick plate method is also dividing in various type, T type of stick, quadrant stick, and these stick which give us helping hand to isolate the colony. Next is spread plate method. This spread plate method is also done by the using of spreader, through which many colonies are developed and grow in this plate. Now we can assure, after the completion of spread plate method, we should assure the proper purity of the culture, so we can recognize the microorganism look like and strain in the same fashion. When plate, all the colony form look like a strain, and all the sticks, steps which are looking like uniform. And another factor is maintenance and preservation of the particular culture. Refrigeration. By the use of refrigeration, we can store the culture in particular temperature. And another method is paraffin method. By the use of this paraffin method, we can preserve our nutrient culture for the long time. And cryopreservation, in this we can utilize liquid nitrogen for the further preservation of our culture. Or last and final is lyophilization. In this way, lyophilization is also play a vital role in the preservation of the particular culturing broth. Thank you.